Hello everyone, welcome to my IT Call YouTube channel. Today here in this full video I will show you how to use search filters in messages on your iPhone with iOS 17. With search filters in your arsenal, finding an old text message won't be a daunting task anymore for you. Now with iOS 17, with search filters in the Messages app, the newest software has made it easier to find what you are looking for. It works with both messages and attachments. Search filters enhance the search functionality in the Messages app by allowing you to use a combination of search queries to filter and quickly find any specific messages. Using the search filter in the Message app is a straightforward task, as it should be. So now let's begin. First of all, open the Messages app on your device and then here swipe down to access the search bar. It doesn't matter which folder you are in, the search functionality will work for all your messages. Then go to search box and start typing what you are looking for. While you can directly start searching for a phrase to take advantage of the search filters, you should start with one of these things like name of a contact, photo, document, link, location, or a wallet for passes, etc. As you start typing, corresponding filters will appear below the search bar. Check the one you want to use. For example, we'll start with the name of a person. The different search filters for them include messages with that person, or if you are in a group chat with that person, messages in group name. Then next, you can start searching for the message by tapping a phrase, or you can combine it with another search filter, say photos or documents. Tap on the filter below the search bar to use it. For example, we use the photo filter here. So, the photos you have sent or received from this contact will appear here. Tap on See All for more results. Now tap on a result to jump to the message in the conversation. With search filters in iOS 17, it will become easier to narrow down your search when you are on the hunt for a particular message. Unfortunately, it's still not as flawless as it ought to be. It would be more easier if you could also start with a keyword and then add search filters to it, as you don't always remember who you received a particular text from when you are looking for it. So that's how easily you can use search filters in messages on your iPhone with iOS 17. Hopefully this video will be helpful for all of you.